Jesus is helping me. I can do the things that he does. I can love like Jesus. I believe his light can shine through me. I can do the things that he does. I can love like Jesus. I wanna be a good friend, good friend, a good friend. Oh, I wanna be a good friend, just like Jesus. With his help, I will forgive, I will forgive, I will forgive. Oh, with his help, I will forgive, just like Jesus. I believe Jesus is helping me. I can do the things that he does. I can love like Jesus. I believe his light can shine through me. I can do the things that he does. I can love like Jesus. I wanna be a good friend, good friend, a good friend. Oh, I wanna be a good friend, just like Jesus. With his help, I will forgive, I will forgive, I will forgive. Oh, with his help, I will forgive, just like Jesus. Everybody now. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus. I can love like Jesus.
Good morning, friends. How are you? I am so excited that it's starting to get warmer. Some days are cold, but because it's just about spring, guess what? The weather's gonna get warm. Yay! I'm so excited. I love warm weather and I love being able to play outside. Have you guys been playing outside recently? I have, and I love it. Did I just say what we were talking about? What have we been talking about this month? What did I just say? Do you guys remember? Can you tell me? You're right. We've been talking about love. We've been talking about loving each other, just like Jesus loves us, right? So we talked about different things that Jesus does and how Jesus loves us, right? This time, we're going to talk about something else. So, can you guys tell me, what can you do that shows someone you love them? Can you guys think of something? Maybe you use your words and you tell them. Or maybe you make something for them. Maybe like a card. Or what else? Maybe you make your mom or your dad a special breakfast. And you tell them and you show them how much you love them. Yeah, so those things are all nice things to do, right? So that's what we're going to talk about today. So our story today is in John 13, and it's about loving each other. And one thing that we can do to show is by being nice. Sometimes I'll tell you guys a little secret. Sometimes it's hard to be nice. Even if someone is maybe mean to me, it's hard to be nice sometimes, isn't it? Maybe if your brother or your sister takes your toy, or maybe your dog chewed on your shoe. Ugh. Right? That's not nice. So it's hard to be nice back. But remember, we are trying to be more like Jesus, right? How Jesus loves everyone. And Jesus was nice and showed his love to everyone, even if they did not very nice things to him. So that's what we're trying to do, right? So there are different times in the Bible that Jesus did nice things. And we've talked about some of those things, remember? Remember a while ago, we talked about how there was a guy that couldn't walk and Jesus helped him and then he could walk. Or remember like last month, a little while ago, when there was a guy that was sick and he helped the person that was sick. But there are some other things that he did too. So, have you ever went somewhere and maybe you were at the park or maybe you were at school and you got really hungry and you're like, oh, and then your tummy started making these sounds. And sometimes, at least for me, sometimes when I get hungry, I get a little angry. Do you know what that's called? When we take hungry and angry and put them together, it's called hangry. Isn't that funny? That kind of sounds like a funny word. Well, there was a time when Jesus was teaching people, because remember, lots of people like to listen to him because he was so awesome. And they're like, oh, I'm starting to get hungry. So, what do you think Jesus did? Do you think he told them to go home and go eat? No. He fed them. All of the people he gave food. That's really nice, right? That's how he showed that he loved them. But there's a different thing that he did that was really cool. So there was a group of people that were being really mean to this woman, and they were saying really mean things. How would that make you feel? Would that make you feel happy? No, right? Would it make you feel sad? Yeah, it would probably make you feel sad or angry, right? So they were saying really, really not nice things. And what do you think Jesus did? Do you think he went with a group and started being mean to the lady? No, he didn't. He was being brave. Do you guys know what brave is? And strong and fierce. Yeah, like this, right? So he was brave, and he told the people that it wasn't nice to say those things about her, and that they shouldn't say those mean things, right? Because that hurts. So we are going to try and do those things this week. Me and you guys, we're going to try and love other people by doing nice things and being nice. So maybe you share some of your cookie, or maybe you share a toy, or maybe you do something. Maybe like you pick up your clothes and you put them in the dirty clothes basket or down the chute if you have a chute, or in the washing machine. We're going to do nice things, and we're going to say nice things this week and always, but especially this week, because that's how we can show that we love someone or something, just like Jesus. Okay, so that's what we're going to do this week. Does that sound like a deal? All right. So I had a wonderful time, and I miss seeing you. and I can't wait to see you again. And hopefully we can play outside together, maybe at like park, or maybe we can get some popsicles or ice cream sometime. All right. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.
Love each other as I have loved you. John 15:12. Love each other as I have loved you. John 15:12.